Hi everybody, welcome to the first module of the class. It takes a good look at the graphic design of the industrial era and the Victorian age. This period is so relevant to some of the design being done today, especially the typography. For more than the last 10 years or so now, there's been a revival of the styles used during these periods in some of the most trendy, fun, edgy, young designs. So pay careful attention to all of the stylistic elements, and let's take a look at what's involved in this module. Here you have the video lectures. So if we open this up, you'll see there's 3 lectures, 1, 2, and 3, that are required, and you'll look at them in VoiceThread and click through them. You're able to make comments and ask questions, and if you do, I will respond to them. Then there's a few other videos. This one is on Hamilton Wood Type Museum, and it's really fun, and it's great to know about this place and see what they're doing. This one is something very beautiful. It's William Fox Talbot's The Pencil of Nature, which was the first book entirely made up of photographs. This one's Understanding the Linotype Machine. It's some videos having to do with a film, Linotype the film. Really fun, really funny, amazing to know about, so you should definitely watch those. And this one is a great resource, The Grammar of Ornament by Owen Jones. It's a book, and they have very beautiful digital versions online. I think this one is through the Metropolitan Museum. But you can take a look at these, and this is a great animation that somebody made. So something very beautiful, a great resource. So those are the video components of this module. Then you've got a reading assignment, basically Chapter 9 of Meg's History of Graphic Design. And I trust that all of you got one of my emails or saw the announcements that this is a required textbook. If by any chance you do not have the textbook in your possession at this moment that you're starting the module, please let me know. There might be something I can do to help you get this chapter as an emergency, but you need to order it like today. All right, so that's the reading assignment. It's about 30-something pages, but there's lots of pictures, and not all of the reading assignments through the course will be an entire chapter. Going back to the module, okay, here's the workshop assignment. This is the important thing that makes this class a workshop and not just a course on the history of graphic design. If you open this up, it's a PDF, and you can open it, and here it is. So you'll be doing an assignment, and the goal of the assignment is to create a graphic design for print that exhibits the graphic styles, typography, color palette, and techniques of the industrial era and the Victorian age. Choose one of the following: a poster to promote some form of an entertainment event, a consumer advertisement for a product, or a package design for a product. And then read through these guidelines and make sure you understand. If you have any questions or anything's confusing, just email me. Okay, so that's the assignment. And you'll also be having a discussion with your classmates. And this is where we create an online community so you don't feel totally like you're working on your own. So here's the discussion assignment. You'll be finding a piece of contemporary graphic design that shows the influence of design styles and/or techniques from the industrial era and Victorian age. Use the voice comment feature in VoiceThread and explain the specific elements that made you feel that this piece has these influences. State what influences you see, pointing out such things as type style or placement, color palette, sensibility of the piece, etc. Remember, it's never a bad thing to quote from the textbook. And now, in addition to your own post, you're going to comment on at least 2 other students' posts. Add to their analysis of how the design is influenced by the design style we are discussing. So you're going to go to the VoiceThread link. And here I've already done one. So
these 3 bottles and labels. These were designed by somebody named Luke Oath, O-E-T-H.
All right, so you get the idea. That's my contribution to the discussion. And remember, with VoiceThread, you upload media. I uploaded an image, and then you make a comment by clicking on here. You can write your comment, but I'm strongly encouraging everyone to record it. And yes, everyone hates the sound of their own voice, but nothing could be worse than the sound of my voice. So just don't worry about it and just have fun. You just record, you get a chance to hear it, and if you like it, you keep it, and if you don't, you can re-record it. It's just a lot of fun. So, all right, that's the VoiceThread that you will be making a class discussion. And what else is there? Okay, the module quiz. So this is an online quiz, open book online quiz. It's based on the reading assignment and on the video lectures. It's worth 5 points to your final grade, and you can take the quiz 2 times, and your highest score will be recorded. So you just click on it, and you begin the quiz and take the quiz, and that's the last part of this module. Okay, so I hope this introduces you to the module, and I hope you have fun. Thanks, and email with any questions.